So they look pretty nice and they fit pretty snugly, which is something that is very rare in this space, right? So they fit very snugly, feel very nice, right? And I usually use them with my... Hey guys, Rom Guruji here, back with another video. And before we actually start the video, have you ever gone on Instagram, seen these influencers wearing their Apple earpods and wondered, dude, these are so costly. How am I even going to afford these 13,000, 14,000 costing earbuds to look cool? You do not require earbuds to look cool. White earpods hanging off your ears does not make you look cool. But it does make you seem rich. Anyways, that was not the point of video. If you have ever wondered that and if you really need some good pair of earbuds, not for style, maybe for style too, we have the Wings Vibe for you that just cost 2,000 and these are very amazing earbuds. Wait, am I just starting in the middle of the video? Let me tell you what the video is about. These are the Vibes by Wings. It's a very weird naming policy. So these are truly wireless earbuds that look, feel like the Apple AirPods. That's basically where the industry is moving now. So let me first tell you about the build quality, show it to you. So yeah, amazing earbuds. And they just cost 2,000 bucks. So they just cost 2,000 bucks, which is something that I really like. Now the build quality in general is very nice. I've dropped this case a few times and nothing has happened. I do not like the top. Why is it so flimsy? Right? It's damn flimsy. Like it closes very easily, but it's just too flimsy. It does not feel very premium, which is fine at this price point to be very honest, but I would have liked it better. A lot of companies do things better than this. But what this company does better is that battery indicator up in the front, which I really love because it is a feature I want in every AirPods case. Right? Truly wireless earbuds, I want it everywhere. This feature tells you when you have low charge and it is a lifesaver. The other thing that I love, in 2,000 bucks earbuds, and you can get them for cheaper by the way if your luck is nice, is this Type-C charging port. Thank goodness for the Type-C charging port. The Type-C charging port is actually very nice. It feels so good. It is amazing, right? And let me tell you why it feels good. Because I have bought cheap, truly wireless earbuds before, and that micro USB cable is difficult to find because I usually drop it somewhere, keep it some other place. This, I can just charge it with my phone charger, which is amazing, right? Now that we have that out of the way, let's talk about the earbuds themselves. They actually look very cool. They have a small light indicator and yeah, they have touch gestures, which is a hit or miss 90% of the time, right? So let me put them on to show you how they look, right? So they look pretty nice and they fit pretty snugly, which is something that is very rare in this space, right? So they fit very snugly, feel very nice, right? And I usually use them with my iQOO 3. Now, whatever the page might tell you, these are not Insta Wake and Pair. They just don't pair with your phone once you open the case. So no, that does not happen. Don't believe that on the page. Otherwise, everything is true. Does not have anything fancy like an aptX engine or something like that or Snapdragon chip. No, but they sound really good. Now, also they're waterproof, so you do not need to worry about your exercise routine or, I don't know, do you use these in showers? Why would you? But still, if you do not need to worry about it. Right. I use this with my iQOO 3 and I have absolutely no problem pairing them. The latency is fine. I would not particularly recommend you for gaming. If you want something for gaming, links down below in the description, but otherwise, I would probably not recommend you these for gaming. This is genuinely just for listening to music or watching videos or shows. Gaming, nah. So, you can use these as like a surround thing or even as earpods, like monopods, my bad. So this can be used as monopods or like proper surround earphones. They work really well and there's no issues, right? It's genuinely a really good sounding pair of earbuds and there's no complaint about the sound. The bass is a bit heavy and the treble seems a bit low at times, or sometimes might seem high. So the sound dependability is a little low, but it works well and most of the songs sound amazing on this. I usually use this for my cycling and they sound amazing. They also look very cool. There's a small design on the earbuds which is really nice. Now, things that I do not like are the touch gestures. So the touch gestures are pretty weird. A single tap is for volume, a double tap is for play pause, and a long press is for changing the song. So yeah, it is a bit confusing, and moreover, you'll take some time to learn. And the thing that I need to tell you is, so the touch gestures, the problem is it is recognized at a very specific point on the earbuds. So if you're not very well aware, or you do not have much practice, it will be very difficult for you to find that spot and change the song or increase the volume or decrease the volume. So you need kind of some time to get used to it, but there's nothing wrong with the touch gestures. Once you get used to the spot, you'll probably be good at it. So yeah, other than that, amazing pair of earbuds, really love them, right? And probably totally going to cut that joke out. Right, so the earbuds look nice. I would probably have been more happy if they did not have the Wings branding here, because that's like very weird. And well, yes, it has dual mics, and yeah, they do not help. Really, I have tried talking to a lot of people on this and they have had a hard time hearing my voice. So genuinely not a very pleasant thing using this for calling per se. If you are in a quiet environment, you won't have a problem, but if you are in a crowded environment, I would probably suggest not to use this, because that dual mic does not work, genuinely does not work. So if you have not seen, so when I put it inside, there's a magnetic tip for the charging, so that is really nice. The earbuds will just go inside the slot once you put them in. All in all, the earbuds are really nice and I would give them a rating of 4 out of 5. I'll just cut a few points for the little things that they missed out on, but a really good set of earbuds. Nonetheless, if you're a music junkie or if you really like watching movies on your phone, don't like the wires, and want a good pair of truly wireless earbuds, go for this. Really value for money, right? And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please press the like, share and subscribe buttons. It would really help the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys. See you again.